Good morning, dear students. So here we were studying our first unit of the computer network. Here we have seen about the data communication. When we are communicating, sender will send via transmission medium that can be guided or unguided to the receiver. We have seen there different types of the communication like simplex, half duplex, full duplex. So in today's session we will see about the computer network. Network, that is a system which will needed in the communication, which will support many users. So we can say network is a set of devices which will be connected by media links. So if we will talk about the computer network, we can say that is a system which will allow the communication among the computer in the नेटवर्क. मतलब जो कि बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर एक दूसरे को कनेक्टेड है, दे विल कम्युनिकेट. देर आर वेरियस वेज ऑफ इंटरकनेक्टिंग दैट नेटवर्क. टाइप्स ऑफ नेटवर्क, दीज आर नथिंग बट लैन, मैन, वैन, internet protocol, internetwork. So here we will see about all these things. Firstly, we will see about the how that network will be in the different topology. So what does it mean by protocol here? What we are saying, when we are sending information, all these things have to follow some rules. So for a successful communication to occur, it is not enough sender to only transmit the message. We have to consider receiver will also assume that will receive the data in proper format, properly. So for that we will require some certain rules. These must be followed to ensure proper communication. So here a set of rules that we can say as a protocol in the computer network. Many different protocols are used in the modern data communication. The interconnection of one station to many stations, that we can say as a networking. So network is nothing but any interconnection of two or more stations that wish to communicate. So each station in a communication network, that we can say as a node. ये जो नीचे का डायग्राम जो दिख रहा है मेश टोपोलॉजी में, इफ़ यू सी वन कंप्यूटर दूसरे को है, दूसरा तीसरे को है, लाइक दैट. सो वी कैन से नेटवर्क इज अ इंटरकनेक्शन ऑफ टू और मोर स्टेशंस, एंड नोड इज नथिंग बट ईच स्टेशन in the computer network. So here we can see topology we are having of different type, that can be mesh, star, bus, ring, tree, hybrid topologies. So when we will talk about the physical network topology, we will require that when network is connected physically, you can see here. So I am saying all these devices as a node. So devices are a node in a network. These are connected to each other via communication link. All these links are related to each other in one way or the other. You can see in the diagram. So we are saying for that we are having the different topology. We will see all one by one. So here mainly this topology are divided into type peer-to-peer or primary to secondary. Peer-to-peer where device share link equally. Primary to secondary, when one device will control other device have to transmit through it. So here you can see first that is nothing but a star topology. Here if you see in the diagram you will get how that will be the connected. So when we will talk about the star topology, all computers are connected via cable to a central location that we are saying as a hub, where they are connected. That we are saying as a hub. There is no direct connection among these devices or node or the computers. वो किससे कनेक्टेड है? जो सेंट्रल में हब है उससे कनेक्टेड है. So star are used in the network where endpoints are directly reachable from central location. When network expansion is expected and when greater reliability of star topology you will need it. That time what we will do, each computer we can see here it's connected to the central hub. So central hub will resend the message to all computer in the broadcast. जैसे हम मैसेज नहीं भेजते कभी सबको भेजना है तो ब्रॉडकास्ट लाइक दैट हब विल रिसेंड द मैसेज टू ऑल द कंप्यूटर इन द ब्रॉडकास्ट. इट विल रिसेंड मैसेज ओनली to the destination in switched star network. So the hub in the broadcast star network can be active or passive. So an active that will generate the electrical signal and that will send it to all computer. So this type of hub we can say as a multi-port repeater. And passive hub means what? That is a wiring panel or punch down block which acts as connection point. It does not amplify or regenerate the signal. Passive hub do not require electric power supply. जैसे तुमने इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट में पहले ही पढ़ा है एक्टिव पैसिव. एक्टिव मीन्स विच विल रिक्वायर एक्सटर्नल पावर. एग्जैक्टली हियर ऑल्सो पैसिव हब विच विल नॉट रिक्वायर इलेक्ट्रिक पावर supply. So here we have seen about the star topology. Now we can talk here about the tree topology. So here when you see the diagram, exactly it will be look like a variation of a star. जैसे स्टार था वैसा ही है बट इसमें क्या है? वेरिएशन ऑफ अ स्टार. बिकॉज हियर इट इज लुकिंग लाइक अ ट्री. As in a star, node in a tree are connected to central hub which will control entire network. So here we know every computer is not plugged into the central hub. Most of them are connected to the secondary hub. ये जो नीचे के तीन है these are nothing but the secondary hub. और जो ऊपर का main hub दिख रहा है that is the central. So central hub in the tree is active which contains repeater. Repeater amplifies signal, increase the distance signal can travel. So here secondary hub may be active or that can be a passive. Passive that will provide simple physical connection. So what is the advantage of tree topology? You can see here in the diagram. As compared to star, it is connected to more devices which will be attached to a single hub. Therefore, what it will do? It will increase the distance of signal which will travel between devices. It will allow the network to isolate and attach priorities. But if you see here, it will also have a disadvantage. Like, as you can see in the diagram, we will require more network. So we can say its cabling cost will be more. The central hub fails, the system breaks down. क्योंकि जो secondary hub है वो किसको connected है? Central को ही है. Remaining we will see in the next class. Thank you.